Hi guys, my name is Krunal Acharya and I'm a filmmaker, writer and educator. We are living in a world where we are surrounded by images, and as artists, what I've asked them to do today was that to click a picture that best describes their emotion, their feelings. Because I think a lot of us find it very hard to express. So a photograph is the best way to explain what you're feeling. Like filmmakers, I think architects are also artists who just express through in a very different medium. And through these lectures, through these workshops, what I'm trying to do is help them express themselves, understand themselves better. When you are in a field where you have to do a lot of expressing and creating, these workshops help you to explore a different side of your own personality. And through these workshops, I'm helping these students to understand the different facets of their own being. So I hope that these workshops have helped them and they'll become a better architects in the future.
Hi, I'm Anamika of 3rd year from Tiwari College of Architecture. Today's workshop was about clicking photographs and conveying how we feel. Sir told us to click photographs, conveying what we feel like right at that moment. So I feel like it's a different medium, convey what we feel, and it's like in our class, people are not very comfortable talking about how they feel. As a architecture student, I feel like it's very important that you are able to talk in a room full of people. You convey what you feel. Krunal sir has been very helpful in improving ourselves, how we talk to people. So he's been very grateful, and I am very thankful for Krunal Acharya sir, who has taken our workshop. He has helped us a lot becoming future architects.